Alright guys, welcome back to another hair review video. Thank you to ISEE Hair for sending this beautiful wig to us, and yeah, it's from the Princess collection, of course. Super excited for them to sponsor this video. Alright, so I'm like, okay, this is the first time working with them, by the way, but I'm excited to see what's in the box. Oh girl, you better come out. Gotta flip it up. Alright, okay, we have it. ISEE Hair. Let's go in. Oh, you see this? This is something I go crazy for. Packaging. So thick. The packaging is everything. Let's see what wig we got today. That's the wig. We have a wig bag to store the wig in. This packaging is so cute. I cannot deal. Now, before we go into the wig, let's see what they... Oh, it's a bonnet. Replacement accessories. Okay. Oh. Yes. Adjustable band. Removable clips. This is the first time I'm seeing this. And it's 3, just like all the wigs come. Like 2, 3. 2 for the side. This is for the back, I assume. The adjustable band, that's going to be snug to your head. And this cute little packaging. It is so cute. Alright, that's that. Okay, 2 different wig caps, HD and the regular wig cap. Then this is how you care for your hair. Okay, ICM cap. Okay, this is new. New era loading. Alright, let's go in. Oh, pack of lashes from them. ISEE Hair lashes, 6 packs. Oh, the bonnet also have... You see, this is time and effort. I love that when the company does that. Absolutely love it. Now, let's see what's in this. Okay. Okay. Wear and go. Alright. And this is the wear and go cap. This is different. The adjustable clips. Or removable clips rather. This is another one, removable comb. Everything is new, everything is different. They are changing the game. Let's go in and see the wig. Now you can see that this is quality. It is bone straight. This is quality. So this is the M cap wear and go straight wig. Oh, look at that pluck. It is 9x6 HD lace, glueless, pre-bleached, tiny knots in 26 inches. Look how deep that part is. You see that? Y'all see this? Look how thin the lace is. The quality, oh, the quality is amazing. The quality of the hair is everything. See that lace? I see you. ISEE Hair. 9x6 pre-bleach. This is the cap. We got a free cap. The same thing. Removable combs. The adjustable band. It's also tag. I'm so excited to install this wig. The air quality is amazing. 26-inch. Everything will be there. Let's go and install this. It's gonna be a really quick and simple install because the quality, first of all, is everything. Pre-bleach, pre-pluck, less work. And this is for anybody that can't do their hair. Look, you just grab and go, wear and go. All right guys, let's go to the install. Thank you, ISEE. Let's go. All right guys, it's time for us to do this install of the wig. My hair, I did went ahead and wash my hair last night. So basically we need to I did not add anything to this hair. So we're just gonna go ahead and braid it down. It's kind of tender. Am I the only one whenever you wash your hair, it just feels tender? I don't know if it's because we always rub it or try to, I don't know. I don't know. But I do have a problem with that. I don't know how to decide. I've been missing my real hair, I'm not gonna lie. But my hair smells so good because it's clean, you know? Alright, so alright, so I think I'm just gonna add like 3 on each side. Does it make sense, or should I do the regular 4? I am not sure. I think my hair is growing back. So in the meantime, let me add some of the OPX serum right there. Just kind of rub it in. I do have another thing, but okay, it's right here. The K18. I'm gonna also add a little bit right there. I think this is like protein. So I need to start treating my edges a little bit more. So let's just go ahead and rub some of this because it will be like probably 2 weeks or so before I go ahead and wash it again. So, alright, we're gonna go into braiding. My nails are short, so we might just add 4 just to be safe, you know. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not in the mood. Today's Sunday, already cooked dinner and everything. So we're doing this wig and I'm super excited because first time working with the company and I was like, wow, ISEE here. It is amazing. There's also a cut in my finger, so we're just gonna have to be like, oh, and it's this hand. Guys, I'm using a new camera. My camera broke. I don't know if this is a Canon. This is my camera that I used to take pictures. I'm not sure if I'm whoa, but I'm gonna have to plug it out and charge it. So I'm gonna start braiding my hair, start charging it, and then once it's time to put the wig in, I will be back because I'm not used to this camera. My nails are really short, so my hair will be looking fine with the braids. So let me finish braiding my hair and then I will be back. It's time to install this wig. We're done. I'm so excited. We're gonna use a HD cap. They gave us a HD cap, so we're gonna add this on just to have a cap on the head. Hold on, this is a 9x6. I had told you guys that before. This thing is snug. Oh, let's add some makeup too. the cap first. I personally like to add a cap to my head. I feel like it just have a more natural look. And that's all we're doing. Now, this ear is super wide. We might not need to cut anything on this. Guys, look at that. So there's clips to the side that literally just latch onto my head just for it to be a little bit more secure. I'm not gonna lie. Hold on. First of all, I am not, guys, this thing is like in my skin. Guys, this don't even need a flat iron. Like, we're still gonna add it, but I like how the top is. I'm not gonna flat it too much. The quality of the hair is good. It's 26 inches. Like, it's slide and go. I'm happy I did my makeup before, because all I have to do is take this off. I am not doing anything to this. The only thing I'm gonna add some mousse and tie down the lace. No baby ear, no nothing. It is not needed. I went ahead and I didn't put makeup right here, thinking that would be a thing, but I could have added makeup because I was low-key like, maybe we gonna have to. This is quality. Yeah, this is quality. The only thing is, if you're a person like me who wants to take off some of the lace, then be my guest. It is not necessary, especially if you're beginner friendly. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna flat iron this here. I did go and just take off a little bit. I feel like for straight hair to fit my face a little bit more, I have to do that. So hence why I went ahead and do that. Okay guys, this is it. This is the final look to this wig. ISEE here, you guys did your thing with this. I absolutely love it. 26 inches. I'm sitting down and it's basically touching my lap. The hair feels so good. It is natural. Didn't do nothing. I showed you guys how I try to keep it, you know, just look like it's coming from my scalp. I added some mousse, tied down for like 5 minutes, and then took it off. Another thing that I could do is add makeup, but I just feel like the hair doesn't need anything. Like, I did a little bit of cutting, just tiny bit, which you don't have to do. I just feel like it fits the face better, my face better. I want to show you the wig. Look, I look so classy, and it's a 9x6. It is not no full lace. So this is for the girls who want to take their wigs off at nights. If you're like me, feel free, okay? And we don't have to worry about taking time to wash your face or anything. So this is it. The length is amazing. I am going to show you guys the length. Everything will be in the description. Look how long this is. It's almost like, literally, look. It is super long, so everything will be in the description. Thank you to ISEE Hair for sending us this beautiful 9x6 straight wig. It's everything, HD, quality. You guys literally see, I like to style my wigs before I install them. I didn't have to do that. I literally just run the flat iron through the wig because it already come bone straight. So this is it. I thank you guys. Maybe it's not centered, or maybe it is, but look. So this is it, guys. Let's get into the slow-mo. The quality is amazing. Check the description. Thanks again to ISEE Hair for sponsoring this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Let's go cute. Let's do the slow-mo and let's go.